In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when a Joy-Con is not charging. First, make sure that the Nintendo Switch is correctly docked in that power station. Like this. Make sure that the Nintendo Switch 2 is on or in sleep mode, because if the Nintendo Switch 2 is switched off, the Joy-Cons will not charge. If this didn't work, you could try this. Disattach both of the Joy-Cons. Scroll down to System Settings. Then scroll down to Controller and Accessories. And then here select Disconnect Controllers. Hold the X. And now the controllers have been disconnected. Turn the Nintendo Switch 2 now completely off. Power options, power off. Yes, then now turn the switch again on. Attach the controllers back to the switch. And now you see the controllers are paired again. See if this fixed the problem. Method 3. It could be that the edges of the controllers are dirty. So what you could do is you could clean the edges with a cleaning wipe. And then also clean here the edges of the Nintendo Switch 2. If this still didn't work, you could try buying a separate charging device on Amazon. There's plenty of choice there. So guys, I hope if one of these techniques worked, let me know in the comments down below.